So these are the potatoes that we were about to put on. So you want to get these to about 200 degrees before you put them off to the side. As you can see, this is about 200. So you can put it off to the side, around near your fire. It'll slowly cook, and then it'll be about done. We put some pans up. For our pork loin is the big one, and for our bluegill is the tiny one. Put a little bit of garlic on top of our pans with some extra virgin olive oil. I completely forgot to mention that in the last video, so I'm mentioning it now. We're taking our garlic out just so it does not burn while we are cooking. We're gonna add it back once we put our meat back in. So we're taking our pork chops and our bluegill out. Wink wink. We also added a little bit of thyme and rosemary to our bluegill. About to add some more to our pork chop.
I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now rich, these niggas salty.
Is it ball? What is it?
Ballin'.